You know that feeling when you're just off. Maybe you're more tired than you should be, or you've noticed a little puffiness that wasn't there before. It's easy to brush it aside, to chalk it up to a bad night's sleep or one too many salty meals. But what if your body was trying to send you a signal, a quiet, persistent warning that something fundamental needs your attention? Hello, and welcome back to Prime Age Health Hub. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that is absolutely crucial for our senior community, but so often flies under the radar until it's a serious problem. We're talking about your kidneys, those silent, hardworking filters. The 10 warning signs of kidney disease you should never, ever ignore. I'm not talking about vague scaremongering. I'm talking about clear, tangible changes that you can bring to your doctor. If you've ever thought this is probably just part of getting older, I need you to stick with me, because what you learn in the next 18 minutes could change the trajectory of your health. It's not about fear, it's about empowerment. Let's get into it. Now, the first sign, and perhaps the most deceptive one, is fatigue. And I don't mean the normal tiredness after a busy day. I'm talking about a deep, bone-weary exhaustion that doesn't improve with rest. You might find yourself needing naps when you never did before, or feeling utterly drained after simple tasks like making breakfast or sorting the mail. Why does this happen? Your kidneys produce a hormone called erythropoietin, which tells your bone marrow to make red blood cells, the little trucks that carry oxygen throughout your body. When kidneys are struggling, production of this hormone drops. Fewer red blood cells means less oxygen traveling to your muscles and your brain. It's like running your entire life on a low battery. You're not just tired, you're oxygen deprived. And here's where we often make the mistake: we blame age. Oh, I'm just slowing down, but profound. Unshakable fatigue is not a mandatory sentence of aging. It's a billboard-size symptom. It's your body saying the internal machinery that fuels your energy is compromised. So if you find yourself sitting in your favorite chair, wanting to do all the things, but feeling like you're moving through thick mud, please don't just accept it. That heavy, persistent weariness deserves a conversation with your doctor and a simple blood test to check on those kidneys. It could be the first clue in solving the puzzle. Let's talk about something you can actually see and feel: swelling. Medical folks call it edema. This isn't about a tight ring after a hot day. This is persistent puffiness in your ankles, your feet, your hands, and especially around your eyes when you wake up in the morning. Press on your shin for a few seconds. If an indentation stays there, that's a sign of fluid retention. What's happening? Your kidneys are master fluid and electrolyte balancers. They decide what to keep and what to flush out. When they start to fail, they can't remove excess fluid and sodium effectively, so it leaks into your body's tissues. It's a backup in the plumbing system. This swelling is often gradual. You might just think your shoes are fitting tighter, or that your hands feel a bit stiff. But this fluid buildup is more than just uncomfortable. It can increase blood pressure, which in turn puts even more strain on your kidneys, a vicious cycle. And it can even settle in your lungs, leading to shortness of breath, which we'll talk about in a moment. For our senior audience, it's especially important to monitor this, as we can be on medications or have heart conditions that also cause swelling. That's why reporting any new or worsening puffiness to your doctor is non-negotiable. It helps them differentiate. Is it my heart, my medications, or is it my kidneys? Pinpointing the source is the first step to getting the right help and getting that fluid off so you can move and breathe more easily again. Speaking of breathing, the third sign is shortness of breath, and it can be surprisingly linked to kidney function in two major ways. First, that fluid buildup I just mentioned, it can accumulate in the lungs, a condition called pulmonary edema. It feels like you can't get a full breath, like you're suffocating on dry land, especially when lying down flat. You might need extra pillows to sleep. Secondly, remember that fatigue from anemia, the lack of red blood cells? Well, those cells carry oxygen. If you're running low on them, your body becomes starved for oxygen. Your brain triggers you to breathe faster and harder to try to compensate. So you might find yourself getting winded walking to the mailbox or talking on the phone. You stop to catch your breath more often. Again, it's so easy to attribute this to being out of shape or just getting older. Progressive shortness of breath is a red flag for several serious conditions, and kidney disease is a prime suspect. It's your body's crisis call for oxygen. Ignoring it means ignoring a fundamental need. If you've modified your life, taking more rests, avoiding stairs, without even realizing you, or doing it to cope with the breathlessness, that's a powerful signal to get checked. Your lungs and your kidneys are in a constant, intimate dance. When one partner stumbles, the other feels it immediately. Now, this fourth sign is one that can really alter your relationship with food and life itself. A persistent metallic taste in your mouth or ammonia-like breath. People often describe it as tasting like pennies or feeling like they're constantly sucking on a piece of foil. Food, especially protein like meat, can suddenly taste off or downright revolting. This is called uremic failure. When kidneys fail, a waste product called urea builds up in your bloodstream. Your saliva breaks down this urea into ammonia, which you can taste and smell. It's literally the taste of waste that your body hasn't been able to eliminate. This isn't just bad breath you can fix with a mint. It's a systemic issue. This metallic taste can lead to a drastic loss of appetite and, without you even meaning to, significant weight loss. For seniors, unintended weight loss is a major concern, as it can lead to loss of muscle mass, weakness, and frailty. It robs you of the joy of a good meal and the nutrition you need to stay strong. So if you or a loved one suddenly starts complaining that food tastes funny, or you notice a strange chemical smell on their breath that wasn't there before, don't dismiss it as a dental issue. It could be a direct message from overloaded kidneys, a sign that the filtration system is so backed up that toxins are coming out in your very breath. Let's get even more personal for a moment, because your kidneys are in charge of your urine, and changes here are critical clues. The fifth sign is a change in your urinary habits. This isn't just about going more frequently at night, which can be common for many of us as we age. I'm talking about profound changes. You might find yourself urinating much more often, or in much larger amounts, especially at night. Or conversely, you might urinate far less than usual, despite drinking fluids. The urine itself can look different. It might be foamy or bubbly, which can indicate protein leaking out, a sign the filters are damaged. It might be pale and watery, or dark like tea or cola, which can indicate blood. You might feel pressure or difficulty urinating, or feel like you haven't fully emptied your bladder. For men, this can be confused with prostate issues, which is why a full workup is essential. For women, it might be mistaken for a urinary tract infection. But these changes are the kidney's most direct communication tool. They are the output of the factory. If the output changes dramatically in volume, frequency, color, or consistency, it means something has changed on the factory floor. Keeping a casual mental note, or even a simple journal for a few days, can provide your doctor with invaluable information. Don't be shy about discussing this. It's one of the most important bodily functions we have, and its patterns tell a vital story. Closely tied to that is the sixth sign, pain or pressure. Now, kidney disease itself is often called a silent disease because it usually doesn't cause pain until very late stages or if there's an infection or stones. However, some people do feel a persistent ache, a pressure, or a dull throb in their mid-back, just below the rib cage on one or both sides. This is where your kidneys are located. It's not a muscular backache from gardening. It's deeper, more internal. It might be constant, or it might come and go. This sensation can be due to the kidneys themselves becoming enlarged or inflamed, or from cysts forming on them in certain types of kidney disease. Think of it like a sponge swelling up in a confined space. That pressure has to go somewhere, and it creates an ache. More commonly, though, the pressure manifests as high blood pressure, or hypertension, which is both a cause and a consequence of kidney disease. Damaged kidneys have trouble regulating fluid and releasing hormones that control blood pressure, so your numbers can start creeping up, stubbornly resistant to medication. This is why uncontrolled high blood pressure is a massive red flag for kidney health. That pressure in your arteries is a mirror of the pressure and stress on your kidneys. So, whether it's a physical ache in your back or the silent, measured pressure in your arteries, pay attention to these signs of strain. They are indicators that these vital organs are under duress. The seventh and eighth signs are what I call the skin and mind signals, and they can be particularly distressing. First, the skin. You might develop persistent, intense itching that isn't linked to a rash or dry skin. It can feel deep, like it's under your skin, and it might be worse at night. This is, again, due to toxin buildup. When kidneys can't filter waste, it crystallizes and comes out in your sweat, irritating nerve endings in your skin. It can be maddening and severely impact sleep and quality of life. Second, and very importantly, is brain fog. This isn't just occasional forgetfulness. It's trouble concentrating, feeling confused or disoriented in familiar places. A head filled with cotton wool, or even sudden, unusual memory lapses. Toxins like urea in the blood can directly affect brain function. Your brain is bathing in a soup of impurities it was never designed to handle. This can lead to a condition called uremic encephalopathy. For seniors, this is especially dangerous because it can be mistaken for the early stages of dementia or Alzheimer's. The profound difference is that kidney-related cognitive issues can often be improved or even reversed with proper treatment like dialysis. That's why a comprehensive checkup that includes kidney function is absolutely vital for any new onset of confusion or mental fog. It could be a treatable metabolic problem, not a neurological one. Your clear mind is precious. Protecting it means protecting your kidneys. The ninth sign is one that will show up in a blood test before you may feel anything: high levels of waste products. This is the biochemical proof. A simple metabolic panel can check your blood urea nitrogen, and creatinine. Creatinine is a waste product from normal muscle breakdown. Your kidneys should clear it effortlessly. When these numbers start to climb, it's a direct measure of declining filtration. You might feel perfectly fine while your lab results are sounding an alarm. This is why regular blood work, especially for those over 60 with diabetes or high blood pressure, is non-negotiable. It's the insider information you need. Finally, the 10th sign is perhaps the most obvious, but also the most alarming: seeing blood in your urine. Even a small amount that turns urine pink, red, or cola-colored means red blood cells are leaking through damaged filters. This is never, ever normal and requires immediate medical attention. It could be kidney disease, stones, an infection, or other issues, but it is a 5-alarm fire from your urinary tract. So, let's recap: crushing fatigue, unexplained swelling, shortness of breath, a metallic taste change in urine, pain or pressure, severe itching, mental fog, abnormal lab work, and blood in the urine. If any of these sound familiar, especially in combination, your next step is clear. Don't let fear paralyze you. Let it motivate you. Knowledge is your power. You are the expert on your own body, and noticing these shifts is the first act of defense. At Prime Age Health Hub, we believe your prime age is right now, and protecting your health is how you honor it. So, here's your call to action. First, if you have any of these signs, please book an appointment with your doctor. Ask for a comprehensive metabolic panel and a urinalysis. It's simple, it's quick, and it's insightful. Second, share this video with someone you care about: a friend, a spouse, a sibling. This information is too important to keep to yourself. And finally, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. We're here to navigate senior health together with clarity and compassion, turning worry into action and information into empowerment. Thank you so much for watching, for caring for your health, and for being a part of our Prime Age Health Hub community. Until next time, take good care. I'll see you soon.